In this video, we are going to review Cursor versus VS Code, which one is the best. Now, VS Code has been the king of code editors for years. Now, let's go ahead and start with Cursor. On the other hand, it's built on top of VS Code, but adds a powerful twist. AI first development. You can chat with your code, generate features, fix bugs, refactor, and get real-time explanations, all inside your editor. It's like having an AI pair programmer working for you 24/7. Now, on the other hand, VS Code is the OG. It's lightweight, customizable, and packed with extensions. It's stable, barrel tested, and works for almost any language or stack. If you are comfortable building things your way, VS Code gives you complete control. So, VS Code is the best for developers who want total flexibility and don't mind managing extensions. Cursor is ideal for people who don't want to code faster and with AI support built right in. So, which one are you going to choose? If you are all about speed and AI, go with Cursor. If you are purist who loves full control, stick with VS Code. Either way, you are in good hands. Just try them both and see what works better for you. As always, thank you for watching.